James a fat kid's name? Heated debate. James is not a fat kid name. Point number 1. Harry Potter's dad's name is James, and he's hot. Point number 2. Harry Potter's kid's name is James, and he's totally a ladies' man. Number 3. The James Bond books and movie series have been widely successful as James Bond is hot. Point number 4. I'm naming my kid James. Are you calling my kid fat? Number 5. I have never met a fat James in my whole entire life. Number 6. James and the Giant Peach was the trippiest thing ever. Trippy equals awesome. Point number 7. James Madison and James Monroe were both presidents of the United States. Are you calling 2 skinny presidents of the United States fat? Number 8. Jubilantly awesome means extremely sexy. Spells James.
James is so a fat kid name. Point number 1. I once had a friend when I was a baby. His name was James, and he just happened to be fat. Point number 2. My grandpa's name is James, but he tries to cover it up by taking his middle name, which is Gordon. Coincidence? I think not. Point number 3. James means supplanted. What the hell? Point number 4. The most common name for males in the United States is James, and commonness sucks. Yeah. Point number 6. Harry Potter's dad's name was James, but Harry Potter's dad was also kind of a wank. Enough said. Point number 7. When I think of the name James, I think of this weird fat blonde guy in the Swiss Alps wearing green overalls and blowing a giant horn. Not a pretty picture. Point number 8. I've been banned from saying this point by Casey. Because she cheated, but she doesn't want me to tell you.
I did not cheat. You cheated. That's why I'm being banned.